Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the ARC Raiders Easy Anti-Cheat not installing error where the setup fails during launch. First, let us make sure the game files are not damaged. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on ARC Raiders and choose Properties. Open Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game and replace any missing or broken files. This step alone fixes the issue for many players, so let it finish fully before moving on. If the error still shows up, the problem may be related to Windows security settings. Open Windows Security from the Start menu. Go to Device Security, then open Core Isolation Details. Here you will see Memory Integrity. Turn it off and restart your computer. Easy Anti-Cheat can fail to install when this feature blocks its drivers, so disabling it often helps. If the error continues, there may be leftover Easy Anti-Cheat files on your system. To fix this, uninstall ARC Raiders completely. Use a third-party uninstaller like Revo Uninstaller to remove hidden or broken Easy Anti-Cheat files. After the cleanup, restart your PC and reinstall the game through Steam. This gives Easy Anti-Cheat a clean setup and usually resolves the installation error. After these steps, launch the game again, and the issue should be fixed. Thanks for watching.